Welcome to DJ's Prestige. We've just acquired this lovely Jaguar XC. It's the 2 litre diesel Prestige, top of the range nearly. It's got front pot distance control, alloy wheels, beautiful Forensic red colour. Stunning paintwork. Boot area is lovely and clean. It's got the top of the range leather into there with the orange sort of inserts, stitched piping, electric windows, electric mirrors. It's done 65,008 miles. Just started up. Sounds lovely and quiet. It's got the reverse park camera, satellite navigation, aircon's blowing nice and cold, cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, different driving styles, cameras I think I've showed you, media pack, all there. Oh, heated seats, really is in lovely condition throughout. DJH provide full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.